Good morning, good morning. Gee, it's great to start your day with coffee with Karma today. Good morning and welcome to Coffee with Karma. I'm Karma and I help entrepreneurs write a lead attracting book in 90 days or less. Now, wouldn't it be cool if you could turn your everyday life into an epic quest of Middle Earth proportions? You know what? You kinda can. And I'm gonna give you 5 ideas on this fun Friday to do just that. So let's get started. Idea number 1, go on a quest for the hidden market. Yes, turn your market research into a quest. Have fun with it. Pretend that you're going out there searching for the Holy Grail or searching for uh, the golden fleece, because you kind of are. You kind of are. The market that you were meant to serve is your golden fleece. Idea number 2, a wizard's I need to turn that off. I keep forgetting to do that. Idea number 2, and that is the Wizarding World Workshop of Innovation. Why not try out some creativity exercises? You can find them by Googling creativity exercises. I have episodes in this show where I've given you some creativity exercises. And if you join my free Facebook group, I have writing prompts and I have a thesaurus Thursday and all sorts of creative ways to get your creative juices flowing. So if you would like to join my Facebook group, put Facebook group in the comment. If you would like to hear or watch one of those episodes where I have some creativity exercises, put creativity exercises in the comments and I will send you links. If you want both, say I want both. Idea number 3, the artifacts of achievement. Okay, this one is a mindset hack, and that is there is evidence that you know your stuff. Collect that evidence. That means collect testimonials, collect the shout outs on social media. And if you need to, go back to elementary school and collect those things. I mean, I literally have an envelope of all the paper awards I've received throughout my life. And that includes the ones that my dad gave me when I learned to read because it was really hard to learn to read because I have dyslexia. And he would give me a certificate that I had finished this book and then he laminated it and he gave it to me. So do what you need to do to create your own sort of museum of artifacts of achievement. Idea number 4, the morning motivation spell. This is start your day out with listening to motivational speakers, saying affirmations, looking at your vision board. Do something that will get your mindset into the frame of I can do this. And it's kind of like casting a spell on your mind. It's telling your mind that you are focusing on what you're grateful for and what you can do and not focusing on the less than pleasant stuff in your life. Not that that stuff doesn't happen and not that it doesn't need to be taken care of, but it doesn't need to be focused on. So start your day with some positive stuff. And number 5, the Innovator's Grimoire. So a grimoire is a book of spells. And why not create your own book of spells, which is basically like a binder where you store all these business tips that you've found work in your business. So it could be a strategy for overcoming a creative problem. It could be basically it's kind of like your operating your was it SOP, something operating something operating procedure. I forgot what the S stands for. Anyway, that's your personal business grimoire. And honestly, none of it are any of these things true fantasy or true magic. No, but if you look at them that way, they can be for you. This is the end of today's Fun Friday Coffee with Karma. I look forward to seeing you on Monday. This is Karma Spence saying ciao for now.